Hey there guys, how's it going? This is John Matthew and you're watching CineManiacs 24/7, a channel dedicated to movies, music, physical media, books, video games and pop culture. As you can see here, today we have the review for the DVD of Monsters Inc., a brilliant movie from Disney which is the most emotional film in my opinion. Here's the DVD of the film, the front and the rear. We're going to talk about a lot of aspects of this film today on DVD. We'll review the DVD and tell you how this looks like and what this looks like. Before we even proceed into the video, like I always request you people, please subscribe to my channel and try to watch my other videos as well, because the more you watch my videos, the more encouragement it gives me to bring new and new content for you people. Hope you understand my vibes and try to somewhat walk yourself over it. This is the DVD here, and we'll talk about it very soon. Before we even get started, let me just come back in a little while and we'll start the video soon. So of course guys, this is the DVD here from the front. I like Sullivan's face here with the expressions and the dark blue color that complements Sullivan's appearance here. You see the logo of the DVD, logo of the film, Monsters Inc., the face. This is how the front looks like. It's absolutely brilliant, pretty aesthetic. Of course not very, innovative in terms of cover art, but it is still serving a great purpose. This is how the Australian and the Indian DVD looks like. This is a Region 5 DVD, works only in India. Of course, it's out of print now. This is one of the rarest copies of the DVD that is floating around. Hope you actually get a quick and a real good glimpse of it. I have showed you the DVD from the front. This is the front side. Let's go to the rear. Yeah, this is the rear. Let me enlarge the image for you so that you can see it nicely. Yeah. This is the summary of the film as they're listed out here. The entire summary along with the technical specifications, of course. The aspect ratio is 1.85:1. It's a widescreen DVD, 16:9 format. The bonus features of the DVD, the barcode, of course. The characters are put out here. This is the other DVD, of course. The other DVD essentials that they add here. Who has marketed and distributed it, where it has been manufactured, the cost of the DVD, and again the region code is for region 5. This is the rear, of course. It exactly looks like the rear of the VHS that I remember seeing on eBay. If in case possible, I'm planning to buy a VHS copy of this particular film as well, and we'll also do a full-scale VHS review in the few years that I'll be on this channel. Definitely, we will do that for sure someday. These are the special features here for those of you who can't see. Mike's new car, For the Birds, Find a New Trailer, Outtakes, Boost Door Game, Disney Storytime and Abandoned Concepts. This is the rear of the DVD, of course, and the front. Now let's open up the DVD and show you something about it. Shit, I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is the DVD finally. I like the idea that it has this push mechanism here. You just push it and the DVD pops out. Looks absolutely brilliant. The DVD works very well. I can tell you things about it when I get into the aspect ratio review part. This is the interior. Now we close the box. And let's talk about the aspect ratio and the other technical specifications of the DVD. Coming back to the rest of the video about the aspect ratio and the technical specifications, here we go guys. This DVD is mostly on a 1.85:1 ratio. The picture quality for most of the part is phenomenal and very bright. The colors, look absolutely brilliant to me. The restoration is fine. A lot of the other parts also work out as well. The DVD menu is brilliantly designed. It is close to the DVD menus of the Toy Story films that I have on DVD. This is how the aspect ratio and the picture quality look like. The sound is brilliant. When you view it on a 5.1 speaker, this thing sounds absolutely brilliant. I love the idea. Special features, of course, there are many special features that they could have added into the DVD, but of course, to make the movie a bright one and a superior one in terms of picture quality, they actually decreased the number of special features on this. It still looks good anyway, but they could have added a lot more. That's a little drawback that I have. The problem with most of the Indian DVDs is that they don't exactly add all the kinds of special features that they should, and they only launch one disc editions of these movies. We could have easily had a two-disc edition where they kept the movie on one disc, taken it on a DVD 9, and the other disc was mostly about special features. But of course, the cost of these DVDs is anyway quite high in India. That's the reason why you don't really have to see them with such a huge price tag. That's the reason making a one disc is much more cheaper and affordable than making a two disc. In India, this DVD cost me close to around 600 INR. That would be close to £5 or £6 in the UK. But now, since these DVDs are close to around £5 in the UK, I believe, at HMV, and in the United States, this is close to around £2 to £3 in the dollar currency. Of course, the DVD's picture quality and the menus and the color and the restoration itself is brilliant. Of course, the special features take a little bit of a setback. That's something that I am little disappointed with. But of course, most of the DVD is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm completely with the view that they have made a great DVD, something that has held up really well even after such a long while. Well, this was my review for the particular film. Hope you guys like it. The DVD of the film is available below to buy in 4K and Blu-ray as well. You can go and check it out below. This is the video, guys. Stay safe, take care. Please keep buying films on physical media. Watch your favorite films, listen to your favorite songs. Just keep doing the kind of stuff you like. Stay safe, Godspeed, and see you next time.